arbitrationagreements.org. I'm here to share a gem with you that could potentially save a lot of heartache and tension within families. It is Alternative Dispute Resolution, commonly referred to as ADR. Before I go into detail, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money. Now, when conflicts arise within families, it can often be a stressful and emotionally taxing time. ADR steps in as a calm mediator, assisting families to find amicable solutions without stepping into a courtroom. So I want to share something quite fascinating with you. Did you know that according to various studies, ADR can reduce the time to resolve a dispute by about 50 to 80% compared to litigation? Imagine the amount of time that can be saved, time that can be spent nurturing relationships instead of being tangled up in lengthy court proceedings. Now let's talk about money, because we all know legal battles can really put a strain on the family finances. It has been noted in several studies that ADR is considerably less expensive than traditional litigation. Families can save a significant amount of money, which can then be channeled into something positive, maybe a family holiday or a renovation project. And let's face it, the emotional toll that comes with legal battles is immense. With ADR, the environment is much more relaxed, which means that the stress levels are notably lower. You're not battling against each other. You are working together to find a solution that is beneficial for everyone involved. It fosters a spirit of collaboration and understanding. Another wonderful advantage of ADR is the control it gives to the involved parties. You have the opportunity to actively participate in the resolution of the conflict rather than placing the decision in the hands of a judge. This gives a personal touch to the solution, making it more acceptable and in line with the family's unique dynamics. Furthermore, ADR promotes confidentiality, something which courtrooms cannot guarantee. Matters discussed during ADR sessions are not part of the public record, allowing families to maintain their privacy. This, in turn, can prevent further conflicts and misunderstandings that might stem from outside influences or opinions. In the end, what we are looking at is a mechanism that not only saves time and money, but also promotes peace and harmony within families. It encourages dialogue and understanding, reducing the potential for further conflict. It is a pathway to healing, fostering stronger and more united family bonds. For more information about ADR or to set up a new case, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what do you think of ADR? Which advantage is your favorite? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.